How much water can a cylindrical tank hold? Or how much grain fits in a storage silo? Today we learn to calculate volume of prisms and cylinders. Volume means the space inside a 3D shape. A prism has the same cross-section throughout. A cylinder is a prism with a circular base. The key formula is volume equals base area times height. First, find the area of the base shape, then multiply by how tall it is. For a cylinder, the base is a circle with area pi r squared. So cylinder volume is pi r squared times height. Example 1. Find volume of a box with length 8 cm, width 5 cm, height 10 cm. Step 1. Base area equals length times width. Base area is 8 times 5 equals 40 square centimeters. Volume equals 40 times 10 equals 400 cubic centimeters. Always write units. Example 2. A water tank has radius 7 cm and height 20 cm. Use the formula V equals pi r squared h. V equals pi times 7 squared times 20. 7 squared is 49. Using pi as 22 over 7, we get 3080 cubic centimeters. Common mistake: students forget to square the radius. The formula is pi r squared h, not pi r h. Always square the radius. Memory aid. Just say BR minus base area times height. For cylinders, always square the radius before multiplying by height and pi. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more mathematics lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to practice more questions. Keep learning.